So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? This is Glenn back with some 1935 pennies. So today we're just going to go over the mintages, any variations, and how much they actually cost at the moment. So the 1935 penny was the second last penny of this design that was issued. The 1936 penny was obviously the last year, and that was in part because George V died in 1936 and there was a change in monarch, so they decided to actually change the designs of all the coins as well, or most of them except for the sixpence. So the 1935 has a mintage of 3,724,000, which for a 1 penny is probably in the mid-range. Because the mintages range from about 12.5 million to the lowest is just over 100,000. So there is a wide array of mintages, and that's pretty normal for a coin of any country of any time period. So if you have a look at these pennies, they are all in, let's try and get it focused, they're all in pretty good condition, probably very fine condition. As you can still see the pearls, which are the dots in the crown. So what I'm talking about is these dots here, and you can also see the diamonds. So this is a pretty high grade, and you'll pretty much get these coins in this grade, all of them. I really have not seen these coins in a lower grade, because when they changed over and issued new coins in 1938, these coins probably would have been hoarded, because there is a theory going out there that these coins will have been valuable in the future, and it doesn't matter what time period it is. Like, you got the 1970 50-cent coin, they were hoarded because people thought that they would actually be worth a lot in the future, as well as the 1966 50-cent coin. And the last year of the pre-decimal coins, they were actually hoarded as well. And because they done that, that actually reduces the value of the coins later on, because there's a lot of them in high quality condition. So this is has a lot of gunk on it, has green. So this green is actually what they call bronze disease. It's actually eating the metal. So what you need to do is actually remove this, and it's pretty much sulfur. It's a form of sulfur, and you want to keep this away from other coins. And well, this one's pretty low value, but if it was a high value coin, you'd definitely get it professionally cleaned. But as it's a low value coin, probably do it yourself. There's some more bronze disease there as well. So these coins are pretty good. So this one's in a lower grade, but it has lines going through it, and there's something wrong with the actual metal. There's probably differential oxidation of this coin, which causes the different coloration that you can see there. So what are the values of these coins? So these coins are in very fine condition. They do have a book value of $12, but I'd say you can probably get them for like $4 or $5 each. So because the book value is actually overstated. And if you want to go in higher grade, the highest grade is that I see is there is gem uncirculated, it's about $1,000, but it's probably going for a few hundred now. And the lowest grade is very good that's in the book, and that's $1. So I personally would not buy a coin that is in very good grade, because there's really no value to it. So what is the future of these coins? This dated 1935. Well, for the future, I can see that these coins are pretty much going to be worth low value in this grade for quite a long time. And I would suggest that the value is probably only going to go up because of inflation. So in 50 years time, just say that inflation is I don't know, if it's at 2% now, then 80% inflation, so you're probably thinking of, we just put a value of $4 on this coin, probably somewhere close to $7 in 50 years time. And in 200 years time, well, we don't know what currency we're actually going to use in 200 years time, but inflation will probably just be the same, unless our currency system collapses like a lot of people are actually predicting, but I'm not too sure on that. So I hope you like this video. I'll leave a link down below to eBay just in case you want to buy some pennies. Just remember, if you're going to buy pennies, try and get the rarer dates, because now's a good time to buy, because the market is low and you can buy a lot of these in bulk lots for a cheaper price than what I quoted, $4. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Okay, bye bye.